Hey, welcome back, everybody. It's Ron, and I got another video for you. Now, this happened on 5/2 of 2025 in Volusia County, Florida, where this irate scooter man decided he was going to try to boss the cops around. So anyway, it didn't end well for him, so let's go ahead and take a look at that video.
Disclaimer: persons depicted in this video are presumed innocent until proven guilty in court of law. This video is for educational and news purposes only. All information has been supplied by law enforcement agencies and is considered by law to be public domain information. Body-worn camera footage has been edited for length and in accordance with YouTube community guidelines while maintaining a journalistic focus.
Sorry. What the hell?
The hook on the truck and screaming and want to fight, get close to a person, like not even 2 feet, like close to talking in the face.
I asked him
and try and come over here to my right to the same thing. I got $300 and this is the deal or whatever. I don't know what he tried. He tried to get high or something. He come over here the same thing.
Yeah, you're about to find out.
You know. And then that's why I told you guys I don't want to take this on me.
Sidewalk. He's buying dope from him. Yada yada.
So let me get their eyeglasses, right? So then why are they tinted? It's dark time right now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so they're gonna
They
light
weren't there until all of a sudden.
Okay. Well, they're kind of dark, so you'll be able to see when you get home.
Thank you.
Wait, you're not leaving yet? Hello? Hey.
Come here, man.
I'm not done yet. You're not gonna leave till I tell you to leave. You got that?
Do you suspect me of committing a crime?
All right, now I'm investigating one, so give me your license.
I don't have to.
Give me
Do
your
you suspect me
license.
of committing a crime?
Yes, right now I am. So give me your fucking license.
There you go.
No, we're so sorry.
You're so stupid, bro.
Hop off the scooter.
I'm a fucking.
Get off the scooter.
Hop
Listen to
off
her.
the scooter. Hop off the scooter.
I ain't going away.
Okay, I'm telling you to hop off the scooter. Because we're not gonna... Okay, hop off. Hop
I
off.
just gave you the keys.
Okay, and I'm telling you to hop off.
And you just threw them on the floor.
Yes,
Are you
hop off.
toxic?
Are you?
No, I'm fucking not. I tried to
Okay.
ride the scooter. The kickstand's down, lady.
Okay. You need to chill out. Give me keys. Then
I
step
don't
that
need
way.
to give you the key.
Then step that way.
This is stupid shit. Fucking truck parked in the public.
Okay, it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
No, it doesn't
Oh, so
matter.
laws don't
So you're
matter.
just gonna try to fight somebody for that?
I didn't fight anybody.
Okay.
I asked them to move their truck off the sidewalk.
Okay, well apparently it's escalated to more.
Is my truck okay? Did you want me to pull that over?
Escalated to more. Yeah, because they didn't want to move their fucking truck. That's a public sidewalk, man.
Is he on the sidewalk?
What do you think?
Is it on the sidewalk?
It was.
Is it now?
has been.
Okay, is it now?
No, you put it off the sidewalk.
We're talking about the truck.
Yeah, the truck just moved.
Okay.
Are you fucking kidding me? What's your name and badge number?
You'll get that in a minute.
I didn't ask you for a minute. What's your name and badge
And I'll
number?
give it to you in a minute.
And I'm asking for your card now. You need
Okay.
to provide that, you public
Not-
fucking servant.
not until
Give
we're
it to
done.
me.
Nope.
So you're not going to provide it.
Not until
I'm
we're
sorry.
done.
Oh!
Back up.
I need your name and badge number.
Okay.
I need yours.
You need to stand.
No, I need your name and
here.
badge number.
You need to stand.
You don't even know your badge number?
Do you want to go in cuffs?
You
yes
can't
or no?
put me in cuffs.
Bullshit.
I haven't committed a crime.
You want to grab him?
I have not committed a crime.
Okay. Well, this is what we're doing.
Fuck
yeah,
no.
this is what
You
we're
can't put me in handcuffs.
doing. Bullshit. You're not going to be aggressive and get.
Fucking whoa, bro. I got a broken wrist.
Okay, well, you need to fucking calm down.
This is making it look good for a little girl, man.
Okay.
I tried to put my phone in my pocket.
I'm not going to continue to cause a scene.
No, but
Oh, chill
God damn it! God damn you! I got a broken wrist.
Calm down, bro.
What the fuck?
Calm down.
Dude, you don't understand.
Calm down. Okay, calm down.
Don't.
What do you want to do?
God damn, dude. I got a broken wrist for you. If you want to go like this, that's fine, dude. But you got me fucked up.
Okay,
Damn it,
we'll put it in the front. We'll put it in the front.
Don't tell me this. Don't tell me.
We're trying to put it on loose.
This is so stupid. I just wanted a goddamn public sidewalk and I'm on a
Okay, well, look how you're acting, bro.
goddamn dude.
Come here, go for it. Grab your hand.
2496 Newmark, 2496 Newmark, 45 and 46 are headed that way also. Dispatch for that.
Stop, please. Just calm down with it.
Trying to get it.
I'm trying to help you out. You're not gonna grab me like that.
I'm not. I'm
Chill
just.
out.
Bro, this.
Okay, I'm trying to help you out.
This is so stupid, bro. You
It's
just
really
can't be
not.
on.
You're the one being stupid right now. You're not gonna grab me like that.
Okay, please, wait.
Don't grab it. You're making it tough on yourself.
Please stop.
You gotta chill.
Bro, you got that shit so goddamn
Because
tight.
you just tightened it. You didn't let me lock it, bro. Sharp or anything that poke me, dude?
No, sir. May I hit my vape, please?
No.
Hit someone else so I can hit it.
No,
please.
we're not doing that. Maybe if you relax before, sure, but we're not doing anything of that.
Not relax when you're not in the wrong.
1802.
Do you understand, sir? I can't relax when I'm not in the wrong. I asked him to be talking about fuck you, this and that, the other. But because I'm upset, I'm being arrested. Wow. Yeah, please hit my goddamn vape.
No.
Are you understand?
Have a seat. Have a seat.
Can I please hit my vape?
No, we're past the vape.
Why are you being like this?
I'm not being like anything, dude. You need to have a seat in
I
the car.
have a broken wrist.
Okay, you need to have a seat in the car. Have a seat in the car. Come on, step in the car.
I want to talk to you.
Step in the car.
There's something.
Kenneth,
What the fuck?
You need to just take a step up into the truck.
I get that,
he
but
can
what
explain
the
some
fuck?
more.
I haven't done anything wrong resisting arrest.
I will explain everything. Just have a seat inside the car.
You dealing with corrupted officers? I'm so sorry. Again, I don't want to take your career from you, and I gave you multiple opportunities.
No, you
to
gave
be
me
the right
opportunities.
person and do the right thing. Make sure you don't touch me. I'm in fear of my life of you.
Nope, I didn't touch you. That's what you did.
You don't have to touch me to get down.
Yep.
No, I'm on camera, bud. Look, two feet are on the ground.
Come on.
Yeah, I know. I didn't say help me. Hey, whoa. Hey, you don't even know it yet. I'm asking you to take over from this dude.
Nope.
My wrist is broken. I'm not running away. Hey, grab my arm. God damn it, I told you.
No one grabbed your wrist. No one grabbed your wrist, bro. No one grabbed your wrist.
Get rid of my goddamn arm.
No one grabbed your wrist.
It
That's how
doesn't
you're
matter.
faking it. Come
I
on.
told you, man.
Come on.
I
Come
told
on.
you,
No one
man.
grabbed your
Let
wrist.
go, my goddamn.
No one grabbed your wrist.
Let go, my dick.
Calm down. No one grabbed your wrist.
My arm, man. I knew it was gonna happen. Please, look, you got me. Don't let him touch me. Don't let him touch me. Don't fucking touch me, dude.
You're not gonna kick me like that.
Don't touch me.
Yeah. It's all good now. I got security here and the fire.
You saw everything. You saw it. Thank God. He even saw it. It's on camera.
So I just want to let you know if you had to do it. Of course. Yep. Okay, see ya.
Fuck that dude. Put the cuffs in front of you, please.
Nope, cuffs are standing back there.
We're trying to lay on your side. Okay, you're so fucked, you dumb bitch.
Okay.
You don't never twist my wrist like that when I told you it's
No
broken.
one touched your wrist.
You're such an idiot, dude. Because you know you're in trouble, you decide to do that. How are you, Justin?